Top 5 Best Air Fryer Foods. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Ore-𝗷𝗏 Extra Crispy Fast Food Fries, 26 ounces. Craving that golden, shatter-crisp fry straight from your favorite fast food joint? Ore-𝗷𝗏 Extra Crispy Fast Food Fries deliver that addictive crunch at home, no drive-thru needed. Perfect for busy parents, snack lovers, or anyone who refuses to compromise on flavor. These 26 ounces frozen potatoes are gluten-free, oven-ready, and built for speed. Unlike soggy or limp alternatives, ore-𝗷𝗏's thick-cut design and seasoned coating lock in crispiness, whether baked or air-fried. They're not just a side, they're the star of quick weeknight dinners, game day spreads, or solo indulgence. Each bite delivers that satisfying snap and savory depth you crave, minus the guilt. While they shine best when cooked properly, don't overcrowd the pan. Their convenience and consistent quality make them a freezer staple. Elevate your snack game without the hassle. Ore-𝗷𝗏 turns ordinary moments into crispy, crave-worthy experiences. Number 4. Checkers and Rally's 28 ounces frozen seasoned fries. Crisp on the outside, fluffy within, these aren't just fries, they're a golden revelation. Checkers and Rally's famous seasoned fries deliver that iconic drive-thru crunch straight from your freezer to your air fryer or oven. Perfect for busy parents, snack lovers, or anyone craving bold flavor without the drive. Unlike bland frozen spuds, each 28-ounce bag bursts with a savory blend of salt, garlic, onion, and secret spices that cling to every ridge. They crisp up fast, no soggy centers, no greasy aftertaste. Whether you're pairing them with burgers, dipping into ranch, or devouring solo, they satisfy that deep-fried craving guilt-free. Sure, they're not fresh cut from a spud, but honestly, most homemade batches can't match this consistency. Stock your freezer. These seasoned perfection sticks won't last long once you taste how restaurant quality they really are. Number 3. Jimmy Dean's Sausage, Egg and Cheese Croissant Sandwich, 8 count. This isn't just breakfast, it's a flaky, buttery masterpiece packed with savory Jimmy Dean sausage, fluffy scrambled eggs, and melty American cheese. Perfect for busy professionals, parents on the go, or anyone craving cafe-quality flavor without the wait. Unlike soggy fast food alternatives, each croissant sandwich is frozen fresh, locking in crispness and rich taste. Reheat in minutes, microwave or toaster oven, and enjoy golden, airy layers that shatter with every bite. The generous 8 count means grab-and-go convenience all week long. You're not just feeding hunger, you're fueling momentum, starting your day with indulgence that feels intentional. Sure, it's best enjoyed fresh from the oven, and the croissant can soften if over-microwaved, so follow the directions for that ideal crunch. But when done right? Pure morning satisfaction. Elevate your routine. One bite, and you'll wonder how you ever settled for less. Number 2. Tyson Southern-style chicken tenderloins, 25 ounces. Crisp golden edges, juicy inside, Tyson frozen Southern-style chicken breast tenderloins deliver that crave-worthy crunch without the fryer mess. Perfect for busy parents, meal preppers, or anyone who refuses to sacrifice flavor for convenience. Each 25-ounce bag packs tender, all-white meat strips coated in a seasoned breading that crisps up beautifully in the air fryer, oven, or skillet, no thawing required. Unlike soggy frozen alternatives, these stay succulent thanks to Tyson's flash freeze process, locking in moisture and taste. Whether you're whipping up loaded nachos, a hearty salad topper, or classic tenders with honey mustard, they bring southern comfort straight from your freezer. Just remember, while they're designed for quick cooking, achieving that ideal crisp means avoiding overcrowding the pan. For authentic flavor with zero hassle, this is your weeknight secret weapon. Number 1. Reynolds Kitchen's Air Fryer Cups, 10-pack, 8 fluid ounces. Say goodbye to soggy, uneven air fryer results. Reynolds Kitchen's Air Fryer Cups deliver perfectly crispy, individually portioned meals every time. Ideal for meal preppers, busy parents, and picky eaters, these 8 fluid ounces silicone cups fit seamlessly in most air fryers, ovens, and even on the grill. Unlike flimsy parchment liners that tear or stick, these reusable, non-stick cups promote even heat distribution for golden fries, juicy meatballs, or even mini frittatas. Cleanup? A breeze, just rinse or toss in the dishwasher. The 10-pack ensures you're always ready for quick snacks or full meals without the guesswork. While they're not designed for liquids or high-sugar batters that may caramelize excessively, their versatility shines with proteins, veggies, and baked goods. Elevate your air frying game with a tool that's as smart as it is simple, because great meals shouldn't require extra hassle. Thanks for watching Best Air Fryer Foods. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.